What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn any video into actionable research notes automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To turn any video into actionable research notes automatically using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for generating our actionable research notes. To create the skill, I'm going to hit customize right here. And then we're going to create the skill using Claude. Then here, I'm going to hit send to describe to Claude the skill that we would like it to generate for us. And here, we're going to paste our prompt. Here we're telling Claude, create a reusable Claude skill called Comprehensive Video Report Generator. The skill's job is to analyze the CSV file containing the script of a video, then generate a comprehensive report that helps evaluate, understand, and improve the video. Then here we're going to more details on what the skill must do. So it should read and understand the complete script from the CSV, identify the video core topic, promise, target viewer, and main objective, extract key concepts, tools, workflows, examples, and claim discussed, identify the video's step-by-step process where applicable, highlight important details that should be preserved, identify gaps and clear explanations, weak sections and missing context, identify opportunities to make the content more useful, engaging, and actionable, and then organize the finding into a clear professional report. And here we're outlining what the report should include. Select the report to have the video overview, core promise, target audience, main concepts, step-by-step workflows, tools and resources, key takeaways, important claims or facts, content gaps, improvement opportunities, practical applications, and final recommendation. And here we're outlining a couple of rules I would like you to follow. So base the report primarily on the provided scripts, never invent information, clearly distinguish between information found in the script and recommendations, do not unnecessarily repeat information, keep the report detailed, use clear headings, short paragraphs, bullets, and tables, prioritize useful insights over generic commentary, and make the final report feel like a professional research content analyst document, not an AI-generated summary. The final report must be created as a polished cloud artifact with a professional, visually appealing layout. So here, I'm going to hit send message, then give Claude a few seconds for it to create our skill for us. So here you can see it successfully created our skill for us right here. The skill was called Comprehensive Video Report. It's incredible. So it's going to take the CSV file and extract all these items and generate for us our report as an artifact. This is amazing. On the right, we can preview our skill. You can go over the skill line by line to ensure that it does exactly what we like it to do. Here, I'm going to save the skill. So now to edit the skill or make changes to the skill, by going over the skill line by line, we can edit the skill. To edit the skill, just click manage right here. You'll be redirected to your skills library. Then click the skill right here. Here you can see our skill. Here. Now, to make changes to the skill, you can choose to edit it right here by clicking on the three dots right here. Here you can edit the skill manually right here. And click on save to make the changes. Or you can use Claude to edit the skill for you. Just describe to Claude what you'd like it to include or exclude from the skill. And then Claude will go ahead and make the changes to the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, we can go ahead and try and turn an example YouTube video into actionable research reports automatically using Claude. So here I'm gonna find our skill, which was a comprehensive video report generator skill. Then we're going to start by generating a CSV file of an example video that we'd like to generate actionable reports from. So to generate the CSV file, we're going to start by finding the video. So I'm going to pick one of the videos from the channel right here. For example, we can pick this video. So I'm going to copy the link of this video. And then we're going to proceed and extract the transcript of this video. To do that, we're going to use a third-party tool like Apify. Apify is an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. To get 30% off your first subscription to this tool, just use the link in the description to sign up and create your account. After creating your account, head over to Apify store right here. And here, we're going to find a tool that we like to use to extract a transcript from a video. So I'm going to find a YouTube the YouTube transcript scraper tool. So here you can see we have a hundreds of tools that we can use to extract a transcript from a video. You can choose any of the tools right here and choose a free tool like this one right here. And then now to extract the scripts, all you have to do is just paste the video link right here. You can choose to include timestamps in the CSV file or not. So now to extract this transcript of the video, I'm going to hit save and start right here. Let's give it a second for it to extract our transcript for us. You can see it successfully did that. So here we're getting the video URL, video ID, title, channel, views, the subscribers, and the transcript text. So what we want is this transcript. So this is the one that we're going to turn into a actionable research notes using our skill in Claude. So I'm going to export this as a CSV file so we can get our CSV file here. I'm gonna choose to extract it as a CSV file and then click download right here to download it. And now after it has been downloaded, we can go back to Claude. In Claude, we're going to find our CSV file that we just downloaded. You can see it right here. Then we're going to tell Claude, use the skill you just created and find the attached CSV file that we just uploaded. Analyze the script and generate a comprehensive report according to the skill's instructions. Do not create a generic summary. Extract useful information from the entire script and then produce a complete professional report. The final output must be a polished, well-designed cloud artifact that is easy to scan and visually appealing. I'm gonna hit send message right here to generate our report for us from our YouTube videos transcripts. Let's give it a second for you to do that. Here you can see it successfully generated our research report for us from our video. This is incredible. So here you can see our report, this well-designed artifact. Here, look at this amazing, well-designed report that is successfully generated for us right here. This is amazing. It's also very comprehensive and it touches all the points in the video. This is amazing. So the video is about how I built a fully automated proposal generator using AI. You can see script right here has 2,750 words. It's amazing. You can see like a table of content right here of the report. It's incredible. And here you can see the video overview, core promise, target audience, main concepts, step-by-step workflow, tools and resources used, key takeaways, important claims and facts, content gaps, improvement opportunities, practical applications, and the final recommendations right here. This is amazing. So this is an incredible research report that we successfully generated from one of our videos on the channel using the skill that we created right here in Claude. Let us try generating another research report right here in Claude. So we're going to follow the same format that we followed. We're going to find a video that we like to generate a research report on here. So we can find, let's say you can use this video right here. And we're going to copy the link, this video. Then we're going to go to a third-party tool like Amplify right here to extract the transcript. To do that, we're going to paste the link of the video and hit save and start right here to extract the transcript of the video. Here we're going to give it a few seconds for you to extract the transcripts, the video. So you can see successfully extracted the transcript of the video. So with this transcript, we're going to export the transcript as a CSV file here and download it again. Then after it has been downloaded right here, we're going to upload our CSV file here. Then here we can reuse our prompt. Show that we're using our skill. Then I'm gonna hit send message right here to generate our report for us using Claude. Let's give it a second for it to generate our report for us. So here you can see it successfully generated our report for us right here from our second video, which was on how to automate cold outreach and get more meetings with AI. This is incredible. Let us preview our report. Like we had the previous one over here, you can see also this one is very comprehensive and well designed. This is incredible. So the video was on how to automate cold outreach and get more meetings with AI. Here you can see the confidence score right here. Then here you can see like a table of content in the report. Then here you can see the video overview, the core promise in the video, target audience, main concepts in the video, step-by-step workflow, tools and resources, key takeaways, important claims and facts, content gaps, improvement opportunities, practical applications here, and final recommendations from the video. This is really incredible. So we successfully generated these incredible actionable research reports from one of the videos on the channel using this skill that we created right here in Claude. This is really incredible. Let us try generating another report from a different video. We're still going to follow the same format where we can find an example video from the channel. And then we can go with this one right here, copy the link, then extract the transcripts, the video by pasting the video URL right here and clicking on save and start. Then here we're going to give it a few seconds for it to extract our transcripts. And here you can see this transcript was successfully extracted. I'm going to export it as a CSV file. Here we can download it right here. After it has been downloaded, we're going to upload the CSV file in Claude. Here, so we're going to upload our file. Then after it has been uploaded, we're going to reuse our prompt right here. Paste it right here, make sure that it's using our scale. Now we're going to now generate our report using our skill right here, our CSV file. So let's give it a second for it to generate our script for us. So now it's going to generate our research notes automatically using our CSV file and our scale. So let's give it a second for it to generate our research notes for us. Successfully generated our new research report from our video, which was a nice job hiring consultants after AI did this. Using our skill right here in Claude, let us preview the report. I'm going to expand it right here. Here you can see the title of the video and how the video performed. You can see the table of content of the video here. Then when you scroll down below, you can see the comprehensive research report that is generated from our video. This is really incredible. This is amazing. So after the table of content here, you can see the video overview, core promise, target audience, main concept, step-by-step workflow, tools and resources, key takeaways, important claims and facts, content gaps, improvement opportunities, practical applications, and final recommendations right here. This is incredible. So we successfully generated these research reports automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. So let us try generating another research report automatically using our skill from one of the videos that we created right here. So we can choose this video. So we're going to follow the same format. So I'm going to copy the link of the video. Then we're going to extract the transcript of the video using this tool in Amplify, pasting the link of the video right here, clicking on start right here to extract its transcripts. And here you can see it successfully extracted the transcript of the video. I'm going to export the transcript as a CSV file. I'm going to download it right here. Then after it was downloaded in Claude, I'm going to upload in Claude. We're going to upload the transcript. Then we're going to reuse our prompts. And then I'm going to hit send message right here and give Claude a few seconds for it to generate our research report for us right here. So let's give it a second for it to do that. You can see it successfully generated for us our report from our video right here. Let us preview the report. I'm going to expand it right here. And here you can see a new format for a video with a comprehensive research that we generated for us right here. This is amazing. I love it. It's very incredibly designed. It's amazing. So the video was on automating AI recruitment agency with AI. Here you can see a brief summary of the video. There's a link to the video. And here you can see the 10 skill build order as we presented. Kind of get an idea of what's in the video. It's amazing. And here you can see the video overview, core promise, target audience, main concept, step-by-step workflow here, tools and resources, key takeaways, important claims and facts right here, content gaps, improvement opportunities, practical applications, and lastly, the final recommendations right here. So we generated all these items automatically, then added the items to these custom reports from this video using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. So this is how you can generate an actionable research report automatically from any video using AI. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.